What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I did a garage sale, guys. This is me in my garage. So we're going to do a quick little tour just to help people out because I noticed there's a lot of misinformation out there for garage sales, and a lot of the videos are done by people that talk too much. So let's do a quick video on how to set up. So number one is you want to organize where your stuff goes. So you want to put your bigger stuff here. You also want to make sure everything's properly priced. So what I did is I just cut out individual things that I printed out, and then I used clear tape to tape it on there. So that's how you want to price your items. It's very quick and easy versus putting those like little dots. And then when you're doing stuff with hangers, the simplest thing to do is just to put the price tag on the hanger. So that way when you do sell that piece of clothing, you can find another piece of clothing to put on the same hanger that you want to price out at that point, versus putting price tags on the actual clothing, which always fall off. And then for cheaper stuff, you just want to create like dollar bins. So we got like little baby's clothes here. Need a beekeeper outfit. And these racks here I picked up for $12. And then again, you want to set up your toys in a certain section, men's shoes in a section. If you are selling video games, you want to have those all in one spot. So we've got a brand new Wii, not brand new, but it's boxed. Price your games so that they're ready to rock and fly out the door. Games are not very expensive on eBay, so unless they're rare. So I priced them at half of what eBay is. And we got some old school Scarface here. So these are original Xbox systems. These sell close to $70 in working condition. Got old Xbox case. And then you want to put your section here with the tools. So I kind of set things up as men or women. If they're looking at tools, there's one section. If they're looking for collectibles or reusables, that's in one section. Purses in one section. Glassware, and we're a couple weeks away from Halloween here. And just again, price everything out so it's easy to see. Be negotiable with your potential buyers. Put your shoes in a similar section. And then for movies, I mean, if they're DVDs, don't really ask more than $1 unless it's sealed. Maybe you can get $2. But for regular DVDs, non-Blu-ray, non-DVD audio, don't ask $2 for them. Just ask $1. And then for larger items like coolers and things like that, you want to have those out on your driveway. So this basically is how the whole thing is set up, kind of like in a U shape. And then you don't want to have garbage. You want to have a clean surface. You don't have stuff lying all around the floor, people to trip over. And then you obviously want a section where you can sit and kind of view everything. And then give yourself some space. So if you're behind the counter talking to somebody, you can have a conversation, and obviously give yourself a path to bringing the stuff out and bring the stuff back in. And then got a lot of traffic on Saturday. People do come earlier on Saturday. So you want to probably set up an hour in advance. And then Sunday, people tend to typically come on time. So far did really well. So hopefully this video helps you guys out on how to set up a successful garage sale. Again, pricing your items is very important because that way you don't really have to think that much either. So instead of you going, oh, I think it sells for this, just if you have a price on it, if they want to negotiate with you, it's right then and there, and it makes the conversation a lot quicker and painless. So appreciate you guys watching my channel. And I know you all have a lot of stuff to list, so might as well get it out there and turn it into real money. Talk to you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.